Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Kushal Suvarna and today I will be covering some portion of derivative. Okay, so what you know about derivative? I feel that you know basic idea of derivative. Derivative is basically what? एक फंक्शन है of y and with respect to x हम उसको डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हम नॉर्मली डिनोट करते हैं dy by dx से. y फंक्शन है x का और y वेरी हो रहा है, x भी वेरी हो रहा है, x जैसे वेरी हो रहा है, y वेरी हो रहा है. ओके, तो y इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ x, तो हम dy by dx लिखते हैं. इसका मतलब ये बनता है दैट the difference of y means dy, the difference of x means dx. Okay, so the difference of y upon the difference of x. This is the basic Wikipedia definition of derivative or dy by dx. But today we will not get into these things. Today we will cover uv rule of derivative and u by v rule of derivative. To know these rules, first you have to know the basic definitions or basic formulas of derivative. For example, d by dx, that is differentiating sin x with respect to x, cos x with respect to x. इनके फॉर्मूलेज आपको पहले ही पता होना चाहिए, ये ऑलरेडी डिराइव्ड है. ये सब बेसिक फॉर्मूलेज आपको पता है, प्लस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पार्ट आपको आता है तो आप कर सकते हो. नॉर्मली डेरिवेटिव में सिर्फ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस ही नहीं बल्कि अलजेब्रा, ज्योमेट्री, अलजेब्रा फंक्शंस एज वेल एज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन एज वेल एज लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, every function is being included. But today in our example we will take simple trigonometric functions. So not wasting much time, I'll get into the topic directly. UV rule. Now UV rule says u is a function of x and v is also a function of x. So what is UV rule? When you multiply two functions of x and if you want to remove a derivative of these two functions, so what is the formula for that? So the formula is very simple. We have to take derivative one by one and multiply with the other one. For example, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. This is the formula. तो यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा कि मैं एक बार v का डेरिवेटिव निकाल रहा हूँ और उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ द अदर कंपोनेंट दैट इज u से, और v का मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ u के डेरिवेटिव के साथ. सो वन बाय वन आई एम रिमूविंग डेरिवेटिव एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग विद द अदर फैक्टर. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर u by v, sorry uv rule. Okay, so if I take an example, say sin x into cos x, very basic. If I want to remove a derivative d by dx of sin x into cos x using this formula, so sin x is u whereas cos x is v. So sin x into cos x का डेरिवेटिव हम इस रूल से कैसे निकालेंगे? What will be the formula? So u, that is sin x into derivative of cos x plus cos x into derivative of sin x. So you must know the formulas of the derivative of sin x as well as cos x. So sin x will remain as it is. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So I will write minus here and I will write sin x here, the derivative of cos x. Then cos x plus derivative into derivative of sin x. So derivative of sin x is again cos x. So you get sin x into sin x, but there is a minus sign. So minus sin square x plus cos square x. That is cos square x minus sin square x. And if you know the formula, then this gives us cos 2x. Cos 2x is nothing but cos square x minus sin square x. This is the basic formula. So it is very simple. You just have to take derivative of each component and multiply with the other component. So this is all about uv rule. So the next rule will be u by v. Again, I will start out with the definition. So what is u by v? U is a function of x, and if v is also a function of x, then what is d by dx of u by v? So the formula says, again, but we have to start off with the denominator. So pay attention, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Sorry, I got some mistake. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, right? Correct. Upon v square, that is denominator ka square. This is the formula for u by v rule. So you better remember it in terms of numerator and denominator. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So now I remove derivative of sin x upon cos x. Now we already know sin x upon cos x is tan x, and dy dx of tan x will give us secant square x or sec square x. Okay. So let's see if by u by v rule we get the same output. Now let's apply. V in this case is cos x and u is sin x. So the formula says d by dx of this term will be v, that is cos x, into derivative of sin x minus sin x into derivative of cos x upon the denominator, that is cos x square. Simple. So that as we already seen that d by dx of sin x is cos x, so we'll get here cos square x, and here sin x minus sin x into cos x derivative. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so we'll get here sin x, and that minus sign is absorbed, minus minus plus, so we get sin square x, okay, upon cos square x. Now sin square x plus cos square x always gives us 1 upon cos square x. Okay. So 1 by cos square x, as we all know, 1 by cos gives us sec x or secant x. So here we get sec square x, which is nothing but derivative of sin x by cos x, which is nothing but tan x. So the formula is 2. You can verify it from this sum. So that is all about u by v rule. Thank you so much.